Mona Lisa, break a nigga into pieces. Had to exit cheesy niggas out my circle like a pizza. I'm way too exclusive. I don't shop on Insta boutiques. All them little ass clothes on me fit fake booties.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Kristen Taylor, and today I'm doing another voiceover because I know you like my voiceovers. So we're gonna jump right into it. I'm going in with the NYX Born to Glow National Foundation in the shade Sienna. And I'm just doing a light little coat, nothing too deep, girl, because it's gonna be spring. It's gonna be hot. It's gonna be hot. So I'm just going in with like one little layer to this have an even foundation. So y'all are gonna watch me do that. Y'all, it's my shade. I finally got foundation that matches my shade. And I don't wear foundation every day. I just did it for the video because I know some people be wearing it. So, and then some people need like my color. Okay, so next we're going in with the Shape Tape Concealer in the shade, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Deep. I'm just putting that under my eye because you know that Shape Tape, girl, that's some full coverage. I got them circles. So, yeah. I do too much. I'm just letting it dry down. So then I'm going in with a that's just a Real Techniques powder brush. I'm just going in and blending my concealer. I've blended with a brush, not a beauty blender, so I can get fuller coverage. Y'all, I am sick. I'm sick, y'all. I think it's my allergies. The weather is changing. So I'm just going in with a little bit more concealer, and I'm chiseling out my little well, it's like reverse contouring. So that's what I'm basically doing. Just giving me a little chisel face because I don't got one no more because I'm chubby. We hate to see it. And then I'm going in with that flat top foundation brush. I use my foundation just to help blend in my concealer. And then I love this. I'm going in with my Cover FX concealer, my Power Play Cover FX concealer in the shade in Deep 3. And I love it. It just brings back like, I don't know. I like it. It's kind of golden. It brings back like that goldenish. I feel like sometimes that Shape Tape be washing your girl out. So I had to. Ooh, my hand. That's my face, baby. That's what we're supposed to do. All them little ass clothes only fit fake booties. I do too much. But I'm blending that in with that same powder Real Techniques brush. Just blending my concealer. I don't know. I just like that color on my skin. It's like golden and glowy. I love that for me. We love that for me. And I'm going in with my Maybelline setting powder. My Maybelline Shine Free Loose powder in shade medium. I'm just doing a light set under my eyes. I don't set too much, but I feel like since it's getting hot. Oh, girl. Drop the phone. But I feel like since it's getting hot, I'm gonna need to set more. But I do like a light setting with a little Wet n Wild brush. Yeah. Just do a light set. Nothing major. Y'all should get that powder. It gives you no flashback or nothing. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in the shade medium to dark. And I'm going in with that contour color. As you can see, I love it. It's used up. I love it. And I just contour. I feel like I need a bronzer. Like a real bronzer. Cause I feel like that's the effect. Cause I contour a lot. Like, I don't play them games. I bring the color back to my face. So I feel like I need a bronzer rather than just contour. Cause you're about to see, in these next clips, you're about to see me contour a lot. Because I just like bringing the color back to my face. I don't play them games. I'm not finna be nowhere ashy. I don't play that. So I think I need a bronzer because that's the kind of effect that I'm going for. I like looking bronze, a little bit darker. I don't know. So then I'm going in with this. I don't know what this is, girl. But I'm going in with that darker shade because, again, I like the contour like crazy because I don't know. It is cute to me. And then just to make my contour more intense. Back up on the pool, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you. Okay, what I'm doing now, girl? I'm going in with a Morphe Brontour in the shade Blogger, and I'm bronzing with air quotes, cause girl, that shade like my color. So I don't know what I'm doing with it. It's really not doing nothing, cause it's really my color, really. What I'm doing? What's going on? That's a body blender from Ulta. I got it from Ashley Devon. You know, she always be using a body blender, and I was like, girl, let me get one. So I finally got one. And I'm just pushing that powder and all that stuff into my face. Then I'm going with the Beauty Bakerie flower in the shade, the flower setting powder, and I'm in the shade Casanova. Girl, let me speak. Cassava flower. I'm just doing that under my eyes to brighten it up a little more. I can't even talk. Bitch, y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm putting this description box. I can't even speak right now. Oh, yeah. And I'm just doing what I do. But before the video, I already did my eyebrows. I like the way I do my eyebrows now. If y'all want a routine, let me know. Because I'm trying to do them little fake hairs in the front. Because I'm not that much into the Instagram eyebrow anymore. But my look Instagram eyebrow to y'all. And I'm just going in with the Amerezy highlighter from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. But as I was saying, yeah, I'm not into the Instagram eyebrow that much. So if y'all want that, let me know. And then I put my eyebrows on my eyelashes on for the video. So if y'all want that too, let me know. Because I can make an eyelash video for dummies. Because it still takes me a little minute to put mine on. That's why I never do it in the videos. And my eyebrows look crazy. That's why I never put them on the videos. So, now I'm going in with some, I do too much. I'm going in with some freaking mascara to put on my bottom lashes. I do too much. I am, girl, but we out of school. The Rona got us out of school. So I'm coming out with so much freaking videos. So I'm 2 weeks. First off, we on spring break. That's already good. And then the Rona got us out of school, girl. So I'm finna be posting like every day. But it's gonna be weird. Okay, y'all. Let me tell you what I'm doing. I'm going in with the eyeliner brush, and I'm gonna make fake moles on my face because I do that now, and I love it here. Like, I really love it here. It's so cute to me. I think I'm so loud. I got doing that from Miracle Watts. She does that, and that's like my inspiration, girl. So I put like 3 of them. I think in the video I only put 2, but in reality I put like 3 of them. And sometimes I go a little bit crazy and put them real big on my face because I want everybody to see. So don't be like me. So don't be not like me. Am I done? Oh, I'm done. Oh yeah, and if you like my hair, I'm coming out with a how I curl my hair video. Cause it looks cute. And I'm done. This is the fan's look. Oh, yeah, this is the fan's look. But I'm just going in with the Badescu facial spray. The pink one. But I'm gonna get a new setting spray because I don't like how that comes out because it leaves like huge droplets on my face. And I don't play like that. Like, my makeup can be good and it'll leave like a big old droplet on my face, and that's not cute. But look at me, y'all. The fan's look. Look at that face, skin. Come on, baby. Period. So thank you guys.
I'm that bitch. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Yeah, I'm the hood Mona Lisa, break a nigga into pieces. Had to exit cheesy niggas out my circle.